Hello, long time no see YouTube, but today's video is super exciting. It is peak week. I am 5 days out from my very first bodybuilding competition. I never in a million years thought that I'd be making this video, but proof that you can do anything and it's never too late to start a new challenge or goal or hobby. Anyways, I'm just super excited. I love watching vlogs, like preparing and like doing all the fun like beauty stuff before like vacation or like a birthday or something like that. I love packing videos, so I was like, absolutely, I need to film one. So I'm so excited. I'm kind of spacing everything out throughout the week. I took this week off of work just so that I would have lots of time. I can de-stress and just like relax and really just focus on like checking my boxes. So yeah, today we are going to start with doing nails. For those of you who know, I was an esthetician for 7 years. I recently made a career change, so thankfully I can do that myself. So I'm saving some money that way. I'm also going to be doing my own hair and makeup for my show, which could be a little bit risky, but I'm sure it'll be fun. I'm gonna try to do a test run before my show just on my makeup, just because I haven't done a full glam in like a while. But I used to do my makeup for competitive dance when I was like 11. Like I was learning how to glue on the eyelashes and stuff. I used to do a full beat like all throughout high school and in college. So I think it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm hoping, okay, the goal is to do hands and feet today. We'll see if we get there. I'm starting with the feet. I'm not gonna show them. I'll show you guys the color though. The nails, they're scary. They needed to be done like a week ago, but you know those ones where like they needed to be done, but you need them fresh for like a certain day. I'm gonna show you, jump scare. Like it's a clear color, so like I guess it doesn't look like too bad, but like anyways, not up to my standards. This is the color that I'm doing on my toes. It's just like a super sparkly white, just so cute. It's Naughty or Ice by OPI. Okay, this is the removal setup. We are cooking. I'm done my toes, but to be honest, I really can't be bothered to do my hands because hands take so much longer because you have to go one hand at a time when you're doing it yourself. I don't really have it in me today. So I think that is going to be tomorrow's task. I just gotta really try to chug a lot of this water. I gotta drink like at least 2 of these plus some tea today. I'm a really slow drinker, so I'm not kidding. Like that actually is a task for me. Happy 4 days out. We are finally getting to the fingernails. Oh, that's all the nail dust on the palm of my hand. I'm doing very similar to my toes, just like a little bit more white. I'm gonna mix OPI Kyoto Pearl, which is my ultimate favorite, and then that same sparkly one that I showed you guys over top of it. I'll just show you guys the end result. Okay, we are finally finished. I feel like that took 5 million years. I'll give you guys a close-up, but I'm so happy with how they came out. Yeah, they're just like a sparkly, like pearly kind of white. I'm sad because I broke some nails on this hand, but what can you do? Okay, I'm just on my way to go do cardio. I'm excited because my cardio got dropped by 5 minutes, so we're just doing 35 today. My carbs go up tomorrow, so we're kind of just coasting now, which is nice, but I wanted to stop at a Shoppers to get a lip stain. I found a color that I really liked and I didn't pick it up at the time, and the past 2 times that I've gone to get it, they don't have the colors. So I'm gonna try different Shoppers along the way to the gym, and fingers crossed we find it. Success. This is the CoverGirl Outlast lip stain in Natural Blush. I just did a little swatch for you guys, but I love a lip color like this, and it needs to be a little bit dark and bold so you can really see it on stage with all the stage lights and stuff. So yeah, and I wanted a lip stain just because, I don't know, I don't want to have to touch it up a million times. I only ended up doing 15 minutes of cardio because I just felt so anxious. I just need to come home. When I got to the gym, I grabbed my like gym slippers from the back, and then I came back up to the front. I was wearing flip-flops, and I just had my door open because it's so freaking hot. And I can't wear any deodorant right now because it'll mess up my tan when I get it. I'll go green. So I just kind of hate my life right now. I feel stinky and gross, and I hate it. But anyways, I had the door open, and I was putting on my socks and my slippers, and this guy's standing there. I thought he needed to get to the car beside me, so I was like, oh, sorry. So I closed the door, and he's still waiting there. So I get out to go to the gym, and he's like, oh, like, I was just being nosy, just wanted to see what you were doing. And I was like, oh, I was just putting socks on. I start like walking away, heading to the gym, and he was like, oh, are you headed to the gym? And I just ignored him, did not look back, locked my car, like just hightailed it to the gym. And the entire time I was on the Stairmaster, I just was like so anxious. So I called Nick and walked back to my car, and I'm back, and we're just gonna go train, and I'll do the rest of my cardio then. Good morning. It is Wednesday. We are 3 freaking days out. I am starting to pack. I've got like most of the stuff laid out. There's a lot of things I can't pack until like right before because I'm still using them, like toiletries mainly. But I just want to get the bulk of it just out of the way. I like to be packed nice and early, make sure that I can check it a million times, make sure I'm not forgetting anything. But yeah, most of the things that I'll need like for show day, I'm going to put in this suitcase just so it doesn't mess up my tan having like a bag on my shoulder, like a purse. So I'll bring this to like the venue and have it with me in the like backstage area. Okay, I'm just gonna go through like a couple things quick that I'm bringing. These are like the main things. Of course, I'm gonna like add other stuff to it, but I just like can't really be bothered to find it right now. So one of the most important is my shoes. They are the Shoe Fairy ones. Oh, they are just so beautiful. I'm so obsessed with them. I love them. They're just so sparkly and beautiful. I did not get ones with a buckle because I heard too many horror stories of girls where their buckle literally ripped like on show day or like right before. So that will not be me. And then the most important is my show day suit. I am keeping it a surprise, so I can't show you guys, but I am also obsessed. I just feel like Miss America or Miss Canada or whatever. I feel like $1 million. I love it. So we are keeping her secure in here. And then I'm keeping my jewelry just in this little bag, but I'll show you what I got. I'm such a gold girl, but the rhinestones are more silver, so I had to get silver jewelry. So I'll have to change out like my other earrings and like take off my necklace and stuff. These are the earrings. They're little stars, and I'm just like so obsessed with them. I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger, but I still love them. I literally picked these earrings out like at the very beginning when I like decided I wanted to do bodybuilding. I have had my heart set on these earrings. So, and they match. I can't remember what side it's on. That's embarrassing, but I have 3 stars behind my ears. One of them, it's either this one or it's this one. But, and then just these rhinestone bracelets. I just got 2 of the exact same ones. I just wanted them to match, one for each wrist. Little mirror just for backstage so I can do touch up. My curling wand, my little sectioning clips, and then the extra hold hairspray. I am doing my own hair and makeup, so this better work. Tripod and iPhone camera light, just because. Warm up band. I know that I have a whole set. I just need to find them, and they come with little handles, so this will help me get a little pump backstage. I need to find them. Also for backstage, just a nice dark blanket just because I might be cold. I'm probably gonna have to sit or lie down and stuff. It's gonna be a long day, so this is not something I wanted to really spend money on, but I do think that it is essential. It is a portable pee funnel, just because, you know, the spray back, it'll ruin the tan, and we pay a lot of money for that tan, so I do not want to be splotchy. I have just like a simple, cute little summery dress just for when we go for dinner post-show. And then this is my tan outfit. They're just like satin pajama pants, and then just like a big dark gray pump cover. This one is Rebellious Apparel. I love this brand. Of course, we have a show day robe. I think I'm going to maybe iron this. We'll see. That's the intention. We'll see if I get to it. And just a pair of cargo sweats, just black, probably just for like the ride home or just like if I'm chilling or whatever. And then AirPods for if I want to just listen to music backstage, and deodorant. I can't wait to put this on, guys. I'm gonna pack some body spray too. Like, it's been really hard not using either of them like that. I like being clean and fresh. I'm also bringing these cookies that my beautiful friend and coworker made for me. They are so cute. There's like a whole bunch. They're just so cute. So I'm gonna eat a couple when I get off stage. I don't know which ones I'm gonna want yet, so I'm just gonna bring the whole box, and like, it's so cute. And then of course my like skincare and makeup and everything. I don't have that packed yet, but obviously I'm gonna bring that. And I almost forgot, also bringing dark towels and bed sheets, just because the tan will get over like literally everything. So don't want that to happen. But yeah, that's pretty much everything, other than like I need to obviously pack like our food. I'll probably pack like a few more things of like clothes and just like little things, but that's like the gist of it. Happy 2 days out. As you can see, I have lots of bags with me. I have my food in this bag, my water, my frozen blueberries, and my gym bag. Headed to the gym just to get a leg pump. It is the last workout before my show. I did my last cardio session this morning, and then we get our hair done. Okay, hair reveal. I feel like this light isn't even doing it justice. It feels really, really bright, and I just feel so pretty. And we are one step closer to the stage. That was the last big thing on my list. So we're pretty much ready for show day now. I just have to get my tan tomorrow and check into the Airbnb and do the athlete registration, and like that's it. Then it's go time. Sorry I didn't film much getting my hair done. I don't know, I was just like in one of those moods where I just was feeling a little bit anxious and like didn't really want to like talk, and like I just needed like that like quiet time to just like sit and like, you know what I mean? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be posting a lot of show day content more on my Instagram and TikTok. So I'll have those linked down below if you want to see more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys for coming on this journey with me. I'm not gonna cry, but it has been an emotional ride, and I am so glad that I documented a lot of it. And I'm happy to share it with you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.